oranges. I just love them, you know? They're just amazing. They're like, these are called cuties because they're just cute little oranges. You know what I mean? They're just amazing. Hi, Madison.
Hi, Noelle. What's up?
What you doing? What you up to?
Oh, you know, I just got back from this wild party with Tupperware.
That's amazing.
And guess what I won?
What?
A polar bear.
Polar bear?
Yeah, a polar bear. I won a polar bear at my Tupperware party.
Okay, so, oh, what you got?
Oh, you mean this little dandy thing? Well, you know, it's time to go.
To go?
To go. It fits in your purse. It just fits right on
amazing.
in there. I know.
Okay, do you want something to drink?
Yes, please. Can I have a water? Yeah, water right there from the fridge. You know, it's just amazing that this little thing can work so dandy. You push it up against the fridge to put water in that. Yes, there we go. Amazing.
Okay. Here, hold it for a second.
Okay. Oh no, I'm sorry. Oh no, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to spill that water. This is gonna stain. I didn't mean to. This was a $20 sweater, and I don't feel like going out buying a new one. I didn't know the water would stain. Look at that. No, Noelle, not to worry. We have time to go. Yeah.
Okay, so,
How do you